Hey, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a little bit of a bonus episode, totally unplanned, unscripted. I know it's super cold for most of you, not me, I live in Miami, but but for everyone else, I thought I would give you a super quick and easy vegan hot chocolate recipe. So the first thing I want to mention is there's a difference between hot chocolate and hot cocoa. Some people just use the terms interchangeably, but there is a slight difference where hot cocoa is usually just cocoa powder and sugar, whereas hot chocolate actually has chocolate bars melted into it. So we're gonna make the hot chocolate today with the melted chocolate bars, which is really rich and thick. If you prefer something more like a hot cocoa that's a little bit thinner, I do have a recipe for that on my website as well, in addition to the hot chocolate recipe. So I'll put the links for both of those below and you can pick whichever one you want. So with this recipe, I'm going to be using Oatly oat milk. You can use whatever non-dairy milk you want, but I will mention that I tested multiple different non-dairy milks, and I am a diehard 365 almond milk person, but when I tasted them all in this hot chocolate recipe, there was nothing as good as the Oatly. So I recommend that you use that one. Also, if you're looking for vegan marshmallows to go in your hot chocolate, Trader Joe's has their own brand of vegan marshmallows. And in this recipe, I'm gonna be using the Dandies brand, which I got at Whole Foods, but it is available at a lot of different supermarkets. All right, let's get started because this is super quick and easy. So we're gonna put 2 cups of Oatly in a saucepan, and we're gonna whisk in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. You want to whisk that until it is nice and even, and then we're going to turn on the heat to medium and keep whisking until the milk is just starting to steam. You don't want it to boil, but you should see steam coming off of the milk. Once the milk starts steaming, we're gonna add in our baking chocolate. So I'm using 3 ounces of bittersweet baking chocolate. Mine is 70% cacao. Keep whisking that until everything is smooth, and then we're gonna take it off the heat and add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And at this point, we're basically done. This hot chocolate is just so rich and creamy. By the way, this will make 4 normal size mugs of hot chocolate, or 2 giant mugs like this one. I actually ordered these online, and I knew they were big. They said 16 ounces, but I just didn't picture them to be this big, so. But here we are. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this short little video. Hope you stay warm out there, and I'll see you next time.